What is good, YouTube? It is your girl Tanisha. I'm here today to give you guys some quick tips and tricks on how to get your nails, your press-on nails, to last up to 3 weeks. Okay, you guys, I have used this method for a long time, you guys. I'm starting to get into the process of using press-on nails and not necessarily doing my nails, so I'm just going to show you guys some quick tips. Okay, so first you want to wash your hands thoroughly, you guys. This is very important when you're using this tips and tricks, you guys, only because when you have a perfectly clean nail bed, you have a perfectly clean set. So you want to make sure that you are washing your hands thoroughly, you guys. When I say thoroughly, I really mean thoroughly. So you want to get in all those nooks and crannies and make sure you're washing your hands really good, you guys. Do not skip this step. It's very important. Okay, you guys. Now we have the press-on nails that I use. So I picked these up on Amazon. These were very cheap press-on nails, you guys. You can always buy better quality ones, but this is just a test. I'm just going to show you guys what to do. So you're going to file your nails, you guys. Okay, you want to file them down. Okay, you guys, file your nails nice and file, because you want that rugged look on your nails, so you're able to put the nail bed onto your nails, so you're able to put the glue onto your nails, you guys. Okay, so make sure that your nails are nice and filed. So this is a trick that I like to use. I like to apply the glue adhesive onto my nail beds. Okay, guys, so when I do that, I feel like it sticks better. Okay, you guys, and then I'm gonna apply the glue onto the nails, the press-on nails, you guys. Okay, so I applied the adhesive and then I applied the glue on the press-on nails. So as you can see, I'm just pressing it on. You want to hold it for 8 to 10 seconds. The longer the better, you know what I mean, because you want it to stay. Okay, you guys, so the longer the better. So here I am just holding it away, because I want to make sure that it's long and lasting. Okay, you guys, so I pretty much finished all my nails, so I'm just doing the index finger, you guys. Okay, and then I think holding on to the nail bed, I think the only thing that I have left is a thumb. Okay, you guys, so I did all of my nails. Okay, you guys, this is gonna be a quick video, you guys. The only trick that I really use, you guys, is the adhesive glue along with the glue. Okay, you guys, so that's a very major trick, you guys. Okay, so I just have the thumb left to do, and then I am pretty much completed, you guys. All right, so I like to do this step. You can skip this step if you'd like, but this is a step that I really like to do. Sometimes the nails themselves are very sharp, so I just file them. Okay, you guys, and then another step that I do, I put glue on it. I'm sorry, not glue, I put clear nail polish, and then I use a fan, and then I dry it off. So I like to use clear nail polish. I feel like it gives it a better shine, it makes it last longer, and that is why I use the clear nail polish, you guys. So that's what I do. And then last but not least, I believe this is the last step. So we use hand lotion. You can use that, and you just moisturize your hands, and then you have the completed look, you guys. Look at those nails. They look like salon quality nails. They are going to last, you guys. Like I said, you can use this for any nail set. This is just some quick nail sets that I picked up, but you guys, I love the look. All right, you guys, so I thank you guys so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. This was a quick little tutorial on how to do your press-on nails and how to make them last longer, you guys. Okay, thank you for watching, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. One love. Peace.